Electric bikes have come a long way, and in 2025, they're more accessible than ever. But not everyone wants to spend over $3,000 just to get from point A to point B. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or just cruising around town, there are plenty of affordable options that still deliver where it counts: range, comfort, and reliability. In this video, we've rounded up 6 of the best electric bikes that keep things budget-friendly without cutting corners. We'll break down the key features of each one to help you decide what fits your ride. Links are in the description below. Number 6. Co-op Cycles CTY E2.2. If you're looking for a dependable, no-fuss electric bike built for city commutes and weekend rides, the Co-op Cycles CTY E2.2 might be exactly what you need. It's made by REI's in-house brand, so you're getting solid support and quality control from a company that's been around for decades. This one's great for anyone who values long-term reliability over flashy features, especially if your rides include paved paths, mild hills, or even light gravel. The CTY E2.2 runs on a Shimano Steps E6100 motor rated at 250 watts, paired with a 418 watt-hour battery. You've got up to 50 to 70 miles of range depending on how much assist you use, which is more than enough for most daily rides. It's a Class 1 e-bike, meaning it only offers pedal assist, no throttle, and tops out at 20 miles per hour. Comfort is a big win here. The upright geometry is easy on your back and shoulders, and the front suspension fork with 63mm of travel smooths out bumps on rougher roads. It also comes with a nicely cushioned saddle and ergonomic grips, small things that make a big difference over time. On the performance side, you're getting hydraulic disc brakes for solid stopping power and a 9-speed Shimano drivetrain that's smooth and intuitive. It also includes practical extras like a rear rack, fenders, a kickstand, and a simple LCD display. At around 51 pounds, it's not featherlight, and the display isn't the most high-tech. But for the price, it's a capable, easy-to-maintain e-bike backed by REI's strong customer service. Ideal for casual riders or daily commuters who just want something that works and keeps working. Number 5. NIU BQi-C3 Pro. For riders who spend a lot of time commuting through city streets and want something with serious range, the NIU BQi-C3 Pro stands out for one big reason: dual batteries. While most e-bikes in this price range come with a single battery, this model packs two 48-volt packs for a combined capacity of 920 watt-hours. That gives you up to 90 to 100 miles of range under ideal conditions, making it one of the most range-capable budget e-bikes on the market today. It's built around a 750-watt peak rear hub motor that delivers smooth acceleration up to 28 miles per hour with pedal assist. As a Class 3 e-bike, it's legal on most roads and bike lanes, but a step above the slower Class 1 options. The power delivery is quick but not jerky, and the ride stays stable even at higher speeds. The frame features a step-through design, which makes mounting and dismounting easier for a wide range of riders. Wide tires and a padded saddle add to the comfort, and the belt drive is a big plus. It's quiet, grease-free, and requires less upkeep than a traditional chain. NIU includes a full suite of commuter-friendly features: integrated lights, front and rear fenders, a rear cargo rack, and a center-mounted LCD display. The bike also connects to NIU's mobile app for things like ride tracking and battery status. At nearly 70 pounds, it's on the heavier side, and its street-focused design isn't ideal for trails or rougher terrain. Still, for under $2,000, the dual battery set alone makes it a standout. It's a great option for urban riders who want long range, clean design, and minimal maintenance without overspending. Number 4. Propella 9S Pro. If you're looking for a lightweight, stylish, and easy-to-use electric bike under $1,500, the Propella 9S Pro is hard to ignore. It's designed for riders who don't need all the bells and whistles, just a solid, good-looking e-bike that handles daily rides with ease. Weighing just 38 pounds, is one of the lightest electric bikes in its price range, which makes it ideal for carrying upstairs, storing in small apartments, or loading onto a car rack. The clean frame design gives it a sleek, almost non-electric look, and it comes in a classic matte black finish with subtle blue accents. Powering the ride is a 250-watt rear hub motor paired with a 36-volt battery, which delivers between 25 to 40 miles of range depending on your speed, terrain, and assist level. It's a Class 1 e-bike, so you get pedal assist up to 20 miles per hour, but no throttle. The ride is responsive and nimble, thanks to the 700C wheels and slim tires. With a 9-speed drivetrain, you can handle moderate hills, and the mechanical disc brakes offer reliable stopping power for everyday commuting. While it doesn't come with suspension, it handles smooth streets well and feels efficient without being too stiff. What you won't find here are extras like fenders, racks, or integrated lights. You'll need to add those separately if you need them. But that's the trade-off for such a light build and a lower price tag. The Propella 9S Pro is best suited for students, city riders, and anyone who values a clean look, low weight, and solid range over extra bulk or complexity. Number 3. Wing Freedom 2. If city riding is your daily routine and bike theft is a concern, the Wing Freedom 2 brings something different to the table. Built-in security, sleek styling, and urban-friendly performance, all at a reasonable price. It's designed for commuters who want to ride with peace of mind and a bit of extra power on tap. The Freedom 2 is powered by a 550-watt peak rear hub motor and comes with multiple battery options: 8.8 amp-hour, 10.4 amp-hour, or 14 amp-hour. Depending on which size you choose, you can expect a max range of up to 60 miles. It's not the lightest e-bike out there, but the battery flexibility and performance make up for the weight. What sets it apart is its attention to security. You get built-in alarm system, integrated front and rear lights, and a key fob for locking and unlocking the motor. Those features are typically reserved for much pricier models. The minimalist frame blends in well in urban environments and doesn't scream e-bike, which is a bonus if you're locking it up outside. The ride itself is comfortable with an upright geometry that works well for casual city cruising. Mid-width tires give enough grip for potholes and bumps without feeling sluggish. There's no suspension, but the geometry and tires help smooth things out. Safety is well covered with hydraulic disc brakes for reliable stopping power, and it comes with both pedal assist and throttle, giving you more flexibility in how you ride. One note, the frame might feel a bit cramped for taller riders, and at 45 to 50 pounds, it's not ultralight. Still, with its integrated tech and anti-theft features, the Wing Freedom 2 is a great option for city riders who want more than just basic transportation. Number 2. Ride1Up Roadster V3. If you're after an e-bike that looks and feels more like a traditional bicycle, the Ride1Up Roadster V3 is about as clean and minimal as it gets. Built for city riders who want a fast, efficient, and silent ride, this bike strips away the extras and focuses on simplicity. It's ideal for flat commutes, quick errands, and anyone who appreciates a low-maintenance setup without sacrificing speed. The Roadster V3 uses a 350-watt rear hub motor that delivers pedal assist up to 24 miles per hour. Class 3 performance packed into a lightweight frame. There's no throttle, so you're always pedaling, but the motor adds just enough boost to flatten hills and make starts from a stop much easier. One of its standout features is the belt drive system. Unlike a traditional chain, it's virtually silent, doesn't require lubrication, and won't leave grease on your clothes. It's also easier to maintain over the long haul, which is a plus for daily commuters. The 36-volt 7-amp-hour battery is hidden within the down tube, keeping the frame sleek and stealthy. You'll get about 20 to 35 miles of range depending on terrain, rider weight, and assist level. At just 33 pounds, it's one of the lightest e-bikes in its class, which makes it easier to carry upstairs or store inside. There's no built-in display, just a compact button-style controller near the grip. That could be a pro or con depending on how much info you want while riding. It also doesn't come with accessories like lights, fenders, or racks, so you'll need to add those separately. Still, if you want a clean, quiet, and fast commuter bike with almost no maintenance required, the Roadster V3 checks all the right boxes. Number 1. Lectric XP 3.0. Topping this list is the Lectric XP Series, specifically the XP 3.0, a bike that packs serious value into a sub-$1,300 price tag. It's easily one of the most well-rounded affordable e-bikes out there thanks to its powerful motor, practical features, and space-saving folding frame. Whether you're commuting to work, cruising on weekends, or getting around campus, this one hits a sweet spot between cost and capability. The XP 3.0 uses a 500-watt motor with a peak output of 850 watts, offering plenty of torque for hills and quick acceleration. It supports both throttle and pedal assist with a 48-volt battery that delivers around 45 miles of range per charge under typical conditions. It's a Class 2 e-bike by default, but can be unlocked to Class 3 settings for more speed. What sets this model apart is its all-in-one design. It arrives ready to ride with fenders, a rear rack, integrated lights, and even a suspension fork. No need to buy add-ons separately. It's commuter-ready right out of the box. The 3-inch wide fat tires give it the grip and comfort to handle pavement, dirt paths, or gravel, while the adjustable seat and handlebars make it easy to dial in your fit. At 64 pounds, it's definitely on the heavier side, but the folding frame makes it surprisingly versatile. It folds small enough to fit in most car trunks or apartment closets, which is great for storage and transport. The bike features a 7-speed drivetrain, mechanical disc brakes, and a bright color LCD screen. The ride feel may not be as polished as higher-end models, but at this price, the XP 3.0 delivers more than most. It's a solid choice for anyone who wants maximum utility without going over budget. That wraps up our list of the top 6 affordable electric bikes for 2025. If any of these caught your eye, you'll find links to each one down in the description. Let us know in the comments which e-bike you're most interested in, or if there's one you think we missed. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more gear roundups like this.